SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power brakes, inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power steering, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.